In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Clickup. If you're someone who uses Clickup to manage tasks and projects but relies on Google Calendar to keep track of your schedule, integrating these two tools can save you time and help you stay more organized. With this integration, your events and tasks can sync seamlessly, so you'll never miss a deadline or a meeting. Whether you're new to Clickup or you've been using it for a while, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your Clickup Workspace and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your workspace so we can proceed. Next, locate the left sidebar or navigation panel within Clickup. This is where you'll find all the important options and features for managing your workspace. Once you're there, look for the More button. It might be represented by 3 dots or the word More, so keep an eye out for that. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional menu options. From the menu that appears, select Apps. This is where you'll find all the third-party apps and integrations that Clickup supports. Now you'll either scroll through the list of available apps or, if you want to save time, use the search bar at the top to type in Google Calendar. Once you see it in the list, click on Google Calendar to initiate the integration process. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you choose the correct account that you want to sync with Clickup. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, this step might be skipped, but double-check that the right account is selected. After logging in, you'll need to review the permissions requested by Google. These permissions allow Clickup to access your calendar data for syncing purposes. Take a moment to read through them, and when you're ready, click Allow to grant the necessary access. Now, just wait for the integration to complete. This might take a few seconds, especially if you have a lot of events or tasks to sync initially. Be patient, and soon your Google Calendar will be connected to your Clickup workspace. Finally, once the integration is complete, you'll have the option to customize your syncing settings. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to control which events or tasks are synced between the two platforms. Adjust these settings to suit your preferences, and you're all set. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along with this tutorial. That's it. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Clickup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.